Hello guys, welcome to our channel cyberkapoor. So guys, today I will tell you a software kmspico is the activator tool that is used to activate Microsoft products such as Windows and Office. So it is totally virus and malware free tool trusted by many people. It works without internet and it is very easy to use. So please, I am requesting you to please follow all the steps. Don't skip any step and watch carefully. So let's start. So firstly, open your browser and search here kmspico. Press enter and see. This is the official site. Download kmspico is not a big deal. I am providing you a direct link from which you can download easily without facing any issue. So guys, this is a official kmspico's website. So you can download it here. So see, click on the download kmspico. See here are the two links: kmspico main download link, kmspico mirror download links. Wait until the process is begin. I will provide you the direct link in my description. So guys, firstly turn off your protection. I'm offing gold there. And now again I will go here on the download link and download it again. So guys, open it. See guys, firstly open it and install kmspico setup. It welcomes us and click on the next button and I accept the agreements and press next, next, next. So guys, please wait. So guys, if you isn't subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. So guys, the kmspico installed in our PC. Now you can turn on your protection. Refresh here. And you can now use all the Microsoft products and you have activated your window. So congratulations guys, you have done it. If you like our video, then please like, subscribe and share our video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you, your cyberkapoor.